Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
In this video, I'm going to be fixing the Karcher pressure washer.
What?
I set it up to wash the cars, turned the switch and nothing happened.
Oh,
So
so how far have you got?
I just whipped the cover off. Simple. It's 2 screws. Torx T25s.
What's a
5
Torx?
star.
What, star shape?
5-pointed star-shaped screws that the manufacturers decided to use to stop people like me, or you actually, undoing screws and taking things apart. But let's not be put off.
No.
Cover off. Switch.
So what is in there then? What's that white thing?
Capacitor to reduce the voltage from 240 down to the motor, but that's not important right now.
Yeah.
The problem is with the switch. Hear the clicking?
Yeah.
What happens, this bit wears here, so the switch doesn't actually make contact.
Okay. When you say the switch, you're talking about the white thing.
The white thing is the actual thing that works the switch. The switch is there.
Mm.
So after a few years, the switch doesn't switch on. So I needed to make the switch go further in like that.
Yeah.
See that movement?
Okay.
If for some reason you don't want to do that, to get rid of the switch altogether,
Yeah.
those 2 terminals there connect together, and those connect together, and it bypasses the switch. Whip this out, pull that out. So all you want to do is make that pin, that's the pin it wears,
Yeah.
you want to make that higher. So I'm going to pack this out. Right? So
With what?
this tape, double-sided tape, but it's for number plate, stick the number plates on.
Is it?
So all I'm going to do is cut some pieces, stick it on the underside of that. I'm going to put 2 on. So I pack that out,
Yeah.
put it back into place. Don't have to be neat because nobody's going to see it, and it's dry anyway. Put the switch back into position. So now the switch is pushed further on.
Yeah.
Oh, so all you've done is pack that piece out, made the switch connect. All it does is move the switch away from when it's on and off, moves it away and back. When the lid is on, all it does is push that off, on,
Away
off,
from that white thing.
on, yeah, off, on. So when it's always on until you turn the switch and it's off.
What do you...
Make it in the off position, put it back on. Little maneuver in. There it is, it's on and off.
So that's working.
That's working. 2 seconds test.
Remind me what that screwdriver's called?
They're called Torx. You get them in different sizes. It's just is that 6?
So is it like a
pointed.
Torx screwdriver?
It's called a Torx screwdriver, yeah. Torx.
Why don't they just use normal screws?
Well, it's to stop people who haven't really got equipment taking things apart. Sometimes on a screw you will have a slot, so you can undo it. Plug it in. For the price of a bit of tape. Oh, over and out from Rocket Jonny.